Can you sell your car in Dubai without being in the UAE? Yes, and here is exactly how. If you have moved abroad and your car is still in Dubai, you might think selling it means booking a flight, dealing with paperwork, and a lot of stress. But the truth is, you can handle everything remotely. Many people leave the UAE and face this exact situation. Their car is still registered in Dubai, they don't have time to return, or they don't have someone they trust locally. And without proper authorization, no one can legally sell the vehicle on their behalf. This is where a power of attorney, or POA, comes in. A POA allows you to legally authorize someone in Dubai to sell your vehicle, transfer ownership, handle RTA formalities, and sign documents on your behalf. And the best part, you can issue this POA from anywhere in the world. Our sister company prepares your power of attorney for a vehicle sale that is accepted all over the Emirates. The entire process is online and does not require your personal presence. The required documents are passport and Emirates ID copies and the vehicle registration card or the mulkiya. The entire process takes 1 or 2 days, and once your electronic POA is ready, your appointed person in the UAE can sell your car without you physically coming to the UAE. If you are abroad and you need to sell your car in Dubai, reach out to us, we'll guide you step by step. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more POA and property insights in the UAE. Bye for now.